I'm here again at the rooftop. As you see, I have this book. So, book, I need to start from the beginning. So, English is a very difficulty because there are so much words that you learn. And the most important is how to use proper words, uh, for example, vocabulary, grammar, so and so forth. So that's why I have this. I need to back to start in. I think sa elementary, of course. So that's why I can understand what's the fundamentals of English, words, for example, nouns, pronouns. So that's why I need to read this. That's it. So as you see, I'm here at the rooftop, so it's very cloudy, so and windy. So that's it.